Welcome back, guys. Exselsior Tech with another video. I will be reviewing today the EagleTec KG010 or 010, however you say that. This thing here is about $50. However, there are other options for less. This one is full RGB, it's black. There's just blue RGB, which is cheaper, etc. So the box it came in looks like this. It's a pretty boring box, to be honest. Underwhelming. It was just in here with bubble wrap. Not the best presentation. And then there's this user's guide, which pretty much does nothing except to go to the website. So one of the nice things about this keyboard is I think it looks really good. This is metal here, and like brushed aluminum or metal, and black keys, and it's RGB, which I'll show you then. Here's the bottom. Pretty boring on the bottom, actually. And then you have these feet that stick out as well. And if you want, you can stick a wrist thing in there. And it's a mechanical keyboard, obviously, so you got the clackiness. So, really quick, I'll give you a bit of a sound test here, what it sounds like when you're typing. So, it's obviously loud, sounds like a mechanical keyboard. However, there's one sound I'm picking up that I'm not really a fan of, and if you hear that like spring noise, if you hit on the keyboard, it's like a ringing noise almost, and I think there must be either a spring in. I notice it most when I hit the spacebar. I don't know if there's a spring or what it is, but it's something ringing in there, which is kind of annoying, but there's that. And now I'll be showing you the RGB. I just propped it up a little bit so you can see it. RGB, like I said, every key is RGB. It's not just blue. I just have it like that for now. So right there is just, you can see it's our. That's a mode that just like goes through all the colors. There's a bright light here, so it's hard to see, but they are actually fairly bright. And there's many different modes here. I believe there's, for each thing here, there's 3. So yeah, there's a lot of modes. Here's a very colorful one. And I'll have a screenshot on the website. They have all the different modes. I'll show you that screenshot there for all the different modes. So there's the FN key, and then how you select everything is this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and just different things. And you can, and then switching the color right there, that switches the color. This is the brightness of the RGB things, and then this is the direction that it moves. If you're like going through colors, this here is the frequency. If you're circling through like this will make it go faster or slower. And then you have all these function keys up here. Whole lot of those. And then this is a Windows lock. It disables the Windows key, in case you wonder what that was. I'm just saying, this is a 0. It's not 2 of these things. I thought that at first, but it's a 0. So what kind of keycap does this use? If I take this off here, I believe it's supposed to be like a cherry blue copy or ripoff. Let me turn off this RGB here. If you can get a look at that there. So they are loud, just like cherry blues. but I think that's what they're supposed to be. They're not actual cherry switches, but that's what it looks like. Lastly, I'll show you the plug. This is a USB. It's pretty big actually, long USB, but that's what it is. It's not detachable here. I think that would be nice if there'd be like a USB-C or even just micro B or something you could pull out of here. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like maybe they use the same like chassis and you could plug it in there. Of a different version you could plug the USB in there, but I'm not sure about that. So yeah, that's about it. I think this is a good keyboard. That springing noise is kind of annoying. I got used to it, and it's not as present if you're not slamming on the spacebar all the time. But I think it's good. Only $50. I think it's a good price. Make sure you like the video, comment A, what I should be reviewing in the future, and B, if I missed anything on this review, comment that so I can maybe put it in the description or comment if you have any questions, and subscribe so you know when my next videos are coming out. I have some more tech videos coming out soon, so make sure you subscribe for this. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.